Sanbonani, Sanbonani, Ninjani. I hope you guys are well, and I hope you are working hard in preparations for your paper too. And once again, we meet with the continuation of umsebenzi wethu wokulungiselela ukuhlolwa. Remember, the book that we are focusing on is our set work, which is Umhlaba Ofile, The Dead Land, and incwadi lesibhalelwe nguSebastian Jili. Igama nguThandeka Ogabekwa ovela kwigabekwa Mumbo Publications. And once again, we meet sizokwenza umsebenzi wokubuyekeza. Ukubuyekeza is the revision, and this is part 3 of the work that we started a couple of days ago. Ake sibone-ke ukuthi-ke namhlanje siqhubeka sibhekaphi. So for this section of work, we will focus on the characters that we get introduced to from chapter 3 and chapter 4 mostly. But some of the explanation, they go beyond those two chapters. You will also get some contextual questions with some memos, but you have to think about it first before checking the memo. And then we unpick long questions, and our focus on this section of work we are focusing on is Indingimba, the themes from as far back as the beginning of the story. And we are also focusing on there is Udweshu that occurred somewhere in between those two chapters. And there is also, long questions, how they are usually phrased, in an exam, and how to approach long questions when you respond to them. So we're going to look at those three things and look at the characters that, we have. And yeah, okay. But all in all, we will have a lot of fun learning. All right. Ngaphandle ke kokuchitha isikhathi, ake sibheke-ke abalingiswa-ke esibathola-ke in these two chapters that I have already mentioned. Okay. Without wasting time, ngaphandle kokuchitha isikhathi, these are abalingiswa abakhulisa indaba, meaning these are the characters that, kind of like grows the story, okay, that expands the story in a way. And starting with umlingiswa wethu wokuqala that gets introduced, as the story unfolds, sithola uSicelo. USicelo is the name, and Mtolo is the isibongo. And uSicelo is Ntatheli. Ntatheli is a journalist, okay? So, and he is Ntatheli for the Phephandaba, right? So he's a newspaper journalist. And then this is Tola Futi Amahle. We are also introduced to through the Ntatheli, mind you, through the stories that he shared on the newspapers, and then we are introduced to this character. Igama lakhe uAmahle. uAmahle ungumngani. Umngani is a friend kaBongiwe, right? Bese siphinda sithola uAmahle lo usebudlelwaneni. She is in a relationship with this gentleman over here. Igama lakhe uSabelo. And we don't get to hear of, his surname, but his name is Usabelo. Ungumyeni. Umyeni is umkhwenyana. Umkhwenyana is the husband. So umkhwenyana will be emqondofana for umyeni. Umyeni, umkhwenyana ka-Amahle. Those are the two words that you can use to indicate that Sabelo is Amahle's husband. Bese kuba khona uBongiwe. uBongiwe ungumngani ka-Amahle, umngani omkhulu. So she is Amahle's best friend. And then towards the end, we are introduced to this very interesting lingiswa. Igama lakhe-ke, we don't really know igama, but he is addressed as Ushezi. Ushezi uyiphoyisa, iphoyisa lomthetho. Kusazoba mnandi-ke kule ndawo esikuyona. We are from Gabegwa Mumbo Publications. Senze imisebenzi eminingi ezincwadi mostly, and I'm sure some of you are using some of our products. Sekuyasana kithi izinsiza zembhalo, and if you are looking for a copy, please don't hesitate to just contact us via our website, which is www.gabegwamumbo.co.za, or you can email us at publications@gabegwamumbo.co.za. Alternatively, send us an email on gabegwamumbo@gmail.com. And the most important thing, so that we can be encouraged to make more content for other students, please visit our YouTube channel, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and like the work that we do, so that we can be able to help more students with the content that we create. Let us have a look at how umlingiswa wethu onguScelo Mtolo is portrayed. Remember ke umbuzo ke that correlates to that is usually structured in this way. Uvezwe kanjani lo mlingisa endabeni? How is this character portrayed in the story? Right, so uScelo Mtolo oyintatheli yephephandaba. So uyintatheli, he is a journalist and of the newspaper, or for the newspaper, and ulandela indaba yokubuya kukaJohn noSolomon phesheya kwezilwandle. So that is how he is portrayed. He is portrayed as a journalist that follows, one of the journalists that follows the story of John and Solomon's return from phesheya kwezilwandle. Konje, where is that? Yes, that's overseas. So uvakashela uSolomon noJohn emzini wakwaGasa kusukela kuvela izindaba zokuthi balungiselela ukuya enyangeni. So when he heard that these guys were back, he wanted to find out the truth, and he went to see them at the Gasas. Ubavakashela emzini wakwaGasa, at the Gasa household, from when he heard that, they were up to something. They were up to, the plans for visiting the moon, or for going to the moon. So kuGasa-ke noNtuli bafuna kube nguye ofunda incwadi, right? So, and the visit ayenzayo, remember, when he went to the Gasas, initially he did not find uGasa and his wife at home. They were at the neighbors, if I'm not mistaken. And then when Uma Zwane and Ogasa saw him, they thought he was a police officer. Usakhumbula, do you remember? Yes. And only to find out just a couple of days later, after he left, when it was all over the newspaper that the boys were actually planning to go to the moon. And then he became a regular. This guy then became a regular. Wayesefika njalo, fika njalo when someone is a regular emzini wakwaGasa, ukuzobuza, just to interview and to find out more about what he also heard on the radio, from which was from the news that were leaked by another journalist from ezweni laphesheya. So, and then when he was a regular, then one of the days, Esebuya, I think it was the second time around, just to get more information on what was going on. So it just so happened that these boys also received a mail, or received a letter, and the letter came with Ugasa. But when Ugasa brought the letter, uCelo was already inside endlini yocwaningo. And then he told the boys, uSolomoni no John, ukuthi there is this letter. But then he wanted the letter to be read by uScelo. So wacela ukuthi, he asked ukuthi uScelo kube nguye ofunda le ncwadi. All right. So, and then it was from the letter when they discovered ukuthi incwadi ichaza ngamalungiselelo ahambe. So it was explaining about the preparations for the trip to the moon. So, and then this guy also ugcina esethandwa kakhulu ngumhleli because you know of his diligence in terms of following indaba ngendlela ayelandela ngayo indaba. So wayefika ney'ndaba ezintsha njalo, so he would bring new stories in line with uSolomoni no John, and then he became isithandwa kakhulu kumhleli wakhe, so he became the editor's favorite wephephandaba ngenxa yokulandela, due to him, you know, following the story about the gentleman that we're going to the moon. So, and then towards the end of the story, ugcine sekhushulelwe, he is promoted into becoming the editor himself. So, wagcina ngumhleli wephephandaba, and then his relationship, ubudlelwane bakhe no John no Solomon baqhubeka noma esesenyangeni. So I thought, you know, I'll just cover everything from the beginning of the story right up to the end on how he is portrayed, so that we don't do it in just bits and bobs. All right. Okay. And then bese kuthi-ke umlingiswa olandelayo u-Amahle, as we can see, intombazane enhle yasemakhaya, right? U-Amahle ungumngani kaBongiwe, so she is friends to uBongiwe, and uvezwe kanjani-ke, how is she portrayed? Ungumngani omkhulu. What is a mngani omkhulu? Yes, umngani omkhulu is the best friend to who? To Bongiwe. And bobabili means both of them, bahlala ngaphansi kwesicongo sentaba. They live under the tip of the mountain. Isicongo sentaba, it's the tip of the mountain, YaKwaMgwagwa. So that is the name of the mountain. So they live in the valley, just you know, at the bottom of the mountain now, right? So uyintokazi-ke enhle, we are told that she is good looking. Futhi-ke wayethandana noSolomoni, meaning she dated uSolomoni ngaphambi. This word ngaphambi is very important. It means before kokuba aye phesheya kwezilwandle, before Solomoni went overseas. Ngemva kwebanga leshumi, so after matric, so Amahle decided not to pursue her studies, but wakhetha, she chose ukugana. This is a very important word, ukugana, if you can highlight it. And ukugana means ukuba nomkhwenyana, to be engaged or to have a husband. All right. And then therefore, she is ngoduso, uyingoduso kasabelo, that is insizwa emlobolayo, that is the gentleman that is paying lobola for her, right? So uyingoduso. We will unpack ukuthi umuntu oyingoduso umuntu onjani as we continue. Right. Ungowesifazane, she is a woman portrayed as umuntu wesifazane oxegelwa isimilo. So you can just learn this phrase or that one. So umuntu oxegelwa isimilo noma umuntu ongaziphethe kahle is someone with loose morals. So ungabeka lokho, you can use any of those two phrases, they mean exactly the same thing. All right. So, and then why do we say uxegelwa isimilo, or why do we say ungumuntu ongaziphethe kahle? Ngoba ubuyelana nesoka lakhe lakudala, because she decided to get back together, to go back to her ex-boyfriend, even though she was ganile, even though she was married customarily, because when someone's been paid lobola for, that person is customarily, they are married. Kahle kahle. All right. So useganile, or maybe in preparations, you know, to be married, you know, into ecishe ibe njalo. So uthanda ukuzicabangela yena nenjabulo yakhe. So this is how she is portrayed. She is very self-centered. Uzicabangela yena, self-centered, and her happiness. Why do we say that? Uthe uma ezizwa enesizungu. So after Solomon left, so she felt lonely. When she felt lonely, after Solomon left, we are phesheya. Then she decided, wanquma ukugana, she decided to commit to someone else, all right, which in this case is Usabelo. So, and then ekugcineni ke kwencwadi, so Amahle nje will just unpack her as a character and right up to how, you know, her character ended. So uyashona ekugcineni, in the end, she dies, or she died, ubulawa Usabela, and she is killed by Usabela. There are no details as such, but that is what we are told, because we picked it up from a conversation of Ugasa Nontuli when they were just talking, you know, later on in the book. But again, this is how Amahle is portrayed, and kuka Amahle kuyaqhubeka, right, uvezwe kanjani endabeni. Uyintombazane ethanda izinto. So umuntu onjani-ke ekuthiwa uthanda izinto. So a person who likes the trends, okay. A person who likes to be relevant. So umuntu othanda izinto, uyintombazane ethanda izinto. And then why do we say that? Because ufuna uSolomon, she wants to be with Solomon, just because uSolomon has been overseas, is just returning from Peshea. Futhi kukhulunywa ngaye emaphephandabeni, and also Solomon is now popular and everyone is talking about him, you know, in the newspapers. And then Amahle futhi ke uyintombazane ongayicabangeli imizwa kaSabelo. She is very inconsiderate of Sabelo's feelings, imizwa kaSabelo. Kanye nabantu abangangena enkingeni, and the people who may be impacted, you know, negatively or about her decision of getting back together with her ex, Solomon. Unenkani, umuntu onjani onenkani? What kind of a person is said to be umuntu onenkani? She is stubborn. Akalaleli, she is disobedient. Why do we say that? Ngoba uma umngani wakhe emkhuza, when her friend warned her about uSolomon, you know, she did not listen. Akalaleli. All right. And then as the story continues, we also discovered that she does not trust her friend entirely. Akamthembi ngokuphelele umngani wakhe uBongiwe. Ngoba ugcina emsola, she ends up suspecting or accusing her of two-timing her with uSabelo, umyeni wakhe uSabelo. And then she is also portrayed uvezwe njengomuntu onodlame, ngoba ukulwa is to fight. She has a fight with uBongiwe. Uze umshangetshe, and she even hit her with a rock. Umshiye ephuma igazi, and she left her bleeding. But even before leaving her bleeding, she tried to reach out for ummes, uhambe phethe ummes, meaning she carries a knife wherever she goes. And the type of a knife that she carried was okapi. She had it somewhere in her boobs or something, right? So, and then ungowesifazane ongathembekile. A wesifazane is a woman that is untrustworthy to umyeni wakhe, and we know ukuthi umyeni wakhe is her fiance. Ngoba, because ulala kubo kaSolomon, she sleep at Solomon's house some days, on some days, ngoba azi ukuthi uSabelo usebenzela eThekwini, because she knew that uSabelo worked in Durban, in eThekwini. All right. Umlingiswa onguBongiwe, uBongiwe umngani kaAmahle, uvezwe kanjani endabeni? uBongiwe-ke ungumngani ka-Amahle, as we all know. Bakhule ndawonye, meaning they grew up together. Futhi bafunde esikoleni esisodwa. They went to the same school. Yena no-Amahle, both she and Amahle bahlala esigodini esingaphansi kwentaba yakwamgwagwa. They live in a little village, and that is under the mountain, all right, under the tip of the mountain called the Gwamgwak. Ungumngane oqotho. What kind of a person is said to be umngane oqotho? Umngane oqotho is someone who is loyal, someone who is trustworthy, ngoba uyamkhuza umngane wakhe uma engenzi kahle, right? And the reason why we say that is because she is not scared to just reprimand or warn her friend if they're not doing well. Uyazi ukuthi umngani wakhe ungumuntu onenkani. She knows that her friend is a very stubborn person. Wayethandana noJohn ngesikhathi besafunda eNceda Mhlophe futhi usamthanda namanje. So she, uBongiwe manje, wayethandana, dated uJohn while they were in school together at Enceda Mhlophe futhi usamthanda namanje, meaning she still has feelings for uJohn. Uyintombazane ezihloniphayo, however, she is a lady with self-respect, futhi uyalesaba ihlazo, and she cannot stand ihlazo. Ihlazo is, she's afraid of ihlazo, anything that is disgraceful. Ngoba akafuni baye kobheka abafana abakhombise sibone isidingo ukuyobabheka, because she did not want them to go and chase after the boys or go check up on the boys who did not see the need, ingasiboni isidingo, the reason of coming to check up on them when they return from overseas. Uyakwazi ukucabangela abanye abantu. She is considerate of other people. Nakho ebona umngani wakhe ebuza umngani wakhe ngosabelo umkhwena wakhe. So hence, she confronted a friend about usabelo, ukuthi isn't she going to cause trouble, akazodala yini uthuthuva, remember that word uthuthuva, if she wanted to pursue ukuthandana kwakhe noSolomon. And then in the end, nguye oveza imfihlo. She is the one that revealed the secret that Amahle had towards Usabelo, right? But it was unintentional. It was simply unintentional. Ubengaqondile. Okay, sisaqhubeka-ke, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and like, or to contact us if you need anything. All right, you can contact us on www.kabekwamombo.co.za, and here are our email details. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and like. We are Kabegwa Mumbo Publications.